Hello, in this video I will talk about how to enable Windows Sandbox in Windows 11. So Sandbox is one of the default feature of the Windows 11. So you can enable it from control panel. So you search control panel, okay? Open it. And then you go to the program. If you cannot see the program, switch to category view. So go to program, turn Windows feature on or off. Click that. Then scroll all the way down, you can find Windows Sandbox. Check that. Click OK. After that, you need to restart your computer. Click Restart Now. So after you restart your computer, you just search Sandbox. Okay. To open it, it's very fast. So if you want to run a program or open a document that you think is unsaved, you can, from your computer, copy it to the Sandbox, paste. Then you can open it from the Sandbox. So you can see it's opened by the Windows Edge, the PDF document. If you search your computer, PDF reader, it's not installed, but in my computer I have the PDF reader. I have the Adobe Reader installed in my computer, but in the Sandbox it don't have that. So you need to download and install all the program that you need to open the program. And another thing is the Sandbox, if you search online, it's from Microsoft. So it said you need a Windows Pro version. Sandbox is not support on Windows Home Edition. So you need a Pro version of the Windows to use in the Sandbox. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.